Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation. It looks great. Let's try to create this. At first, we need to have the picture. We copy the picture. You can download the picture. It's free and I think it's in Unsplash site or any other site you can find them. At first, we need to bring the picture to its right format. Okay, how to create these effects? We need in the new slide to add three rectangles and one triangle. This is the first rectangle. After creating that, we just simply rotate them, put them here. You see the size is not the size we want. Because of that, we press Ctrl and reduce it in size. You see we want this effect. Reduce it in size and we just simply align it middle and middle, then press Ctrl and Shift and create another one, and Ctrl Shift and another one. Then just simply place another rectangle and paste it here. Now press Ctrl A, go to shape format and make them one. Then copy that, paste it here, select both of the shapes. At first place the picture and then the shape, then go to shape format and make them fragment or combine or intersect. You see we need this slide 2 times because we need 1 time fragment and 1 time another type. We go and set fragment and here we select this thing and make it intersect. Now we copy this picture and paste it here and let's go for the shadows. For the shadows we are going to this picture needs some shadows. We are going to give it a right shadows and we are going to give it a left shadow. And then we are going to paste the text, copy the both text, paste them here, then copy this slide, bring it out, full out or a little in, how much you need, it's up to you, and then press it top and color it. Set the transition to morph. Now your slide is ready. You see it's looking amazing. If you like this kind of videos, you can find many of them in my channels. Please like and subscribe and have a nice time.